I have not so much to say about the content itself. As Kirsten already explained what is the mission and so on, I'm here focusing mostly on the organizational part, what EIP is in charge with. I would like to thank you everyone to join us. This is our second major online event. For those who attended our face-to-face meetings, we try to reproduce it, but online. So with as much as interaction as we could. And for this, I would like to thank my colleagues, especially Lisa. There you have the list of colleagues who have been committed to organize this event, which I should say the event at the beginning of the year was not planned. As all of you, most of you who are attending today applied for the soil seminar that was supposed to take place in Portugal. But the mission was part of that seminar. And as the mission is quite a very important topic for the Commission, so it was decided to split a bit the event in two pieces. So we deal with the mission today, and then the other part that was mostly networking and connecting people with all the projects. We will take care of that one next year in the springtime due to coronavirus, obviously. And Lisa committed, let's say in June, July. So she spent her summer time preparing the event together with Andres, our colleagues, Pandi, Andre Vicino. Thank you very much, you both, for taking your time the whole summer instead of enjoying somewhere else, staying with EIP. We are very grateful to you. And the other colleagues, so Zeus, who is in charge of all the technical part. If you would have a problem, just send a message to Zeus, Ina, Tina, and then there are some others who are mostly in the back office, but you will see them during the breakout sessions. As I said, we try to reproduce a face-to-face event, but on online one. And I hope you will enjoy this journey. If you would have any problem, don't hesitate to come to one of us. We are here to serve you. This is a service point. So our main goal is to serve you. So don't worry at the end of the event, if there is something that you didn't like or that you would like us to improve, just let us know. Thank you very much once again, and thanks especially Andre and Pandi for coordinating all of this. Thank you. Have a nice day. See you.